Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to appear offline on Instagram by hiding your active status. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account and press on menu. Scroll down and press on messages and story replies. Now click on show activity status. Now if you want to appear online on Instagram by hiding your active status, you just have to turn up the button. That's it. So this is how to appear offline on Instagram by hiding your active status. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.